Hi everybody, I am here with video number 3 of 8, and I did something a little bit different this time. Hopefully the sound quality will be better. I noticed it was kind of spotty in my last video, and I think it was because I was trying to speak quietly because I know my babies are sleeping. Video number 1, I actually filmed during the daytime when they were at school, so I wasn't trying to speak quietly. But now that they're sleeping, I've been trying to whisper. And so when I uploaded my video, I was like, oh, I hope everyone can hear me. So let me know in the comments below if the sound quality is better in this video than it was for video number 2. So this is video number 3, and I'm also opening one of the boxes that did not come in the clear containers, as you can see. A bunch of florals again. I was actually not too thrilled about this box. The reason I picked it up was, I'll show you the first items that I saw. I could see these items through the hole, and I was like, ooh, painting supplies. So these two I am happy about. 2 of them, they are canvases with a peace sign, and they say peace, love, pride, and they come with, let me see, 6 different acrylic paints. It looks like a glitter, you can see that. 3 paint brushes and a mixing palette. You will notice that the style of my videos is very different now. Right now I don't have time to edit and try to cut out all of my ums and things like that. It's because if I do that, I will have to spend hours on my videos, and I don't have the time right now because of life. Both of my girls are at 2 different schools, so there's, dropping off at 2 schools, picking up at 2 different schools, and I still work. So that's why the style of my videos are much less refined now. Okay, there's this floppy sign, and it says fabulous. Can you see that? Let me see if I can get it in the picture. This one's kind of cool because you can bend it and shape it. See that? Not really sure what I would display this next to, but it's neat. I like it. It's like 3D lettering. Fabulous. Now this letter that came in the grab box is neat, but I'm not, well, actually, Ralph. This, maybe I could put this, I have like a Ralph shrine, like pretty much all over the house there are Ralph pictures. He was my long-haired Chihuahua who passed away in 2018, and I still think about him almost every day, and he's still a big part of my heart. Actually, he's left a giant hole in my heart, and I really, really miss him. And then there is this huge inflatable easel that I got. Let's see. This one says it was 30 bucks. I might try to sell that. I don't normally sell items because I just don't use eBay or anything like that, but we have like a community garage sale coming up, and I'm contemplating taking part in that just because I have so many extra things from grab bags that I've partaken in over the last year. And you know me, I like to shop, so I have way too much stuff now. So the rest of the box contains florals. It's not the most exciting box, like I said. I was a little bit disappointed in this box, especially since the last box had so much variety. Actually, I do kind of like these sunflowers. I'm digging the sunflowers. A lot of yellowy flowers, summery, I suppose. They say spring on them. I think most of these flowers are more of the same. One thing that I did like from this box were the tulip picks that I got. Let me see if I can show you those. Similar to the last video, I felt like the texture of the tulip picks were so much like real flowers. Like when you feel them, it has that quality and texture that make them look like a real tulip. So these ones have these tiny little stems because they're just picks. So I got a bunch of those in this box. Let's see. Different colors. Is it in the video? I can't even tell since oh yeah, and then this I can probably stick onto something, it fell off. Oh. It's interesting, that looks like a dandelion. Well, not really, I guess. I like the look of this one though, but I'm not sure if it goes with this pinky one. Maybe I can pull that off and stick a different one on there. Like I said in my last video, I am not familiar with flowers at all. And I'm also not familiar with crafting with fake flowers either. So I better learn because I have so many. I usually try to grab the grab boxes that don't have florals or mini florals. It's because, I don't know, it's just usually not what I go for. I usually go more for happy planner stuff, stickers if they ever have any, and crafts that my girls can do. Oh, this one looks different. Okay. So this is not the most exciting box to show because most of it was just florals. Oh, that looks pretty when you bunch them together like that. Oh my goodness, there's just so many more. It's pretty much more of the same, so not much more to show. So I promise that the next few boxes should be more exciting. There is one clear bin that has, it looks to have like decorative boxes, so those may be really short videos, like here are the 4 items that I got in this clear container. But maybe there will be items inside those decorative boxes. We shall see. So thank you guys for watching. Oh, and thank you so much for the sweet comments that I got in my last video. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.